In this tutorial in CyberLink Power Director, I'd like to show you two ways in which you can lengthen a music clip to match a video clip on the timeline. We'll be using Power Director 365 for this tutorial. So I have this video, and the video is a promotion for a business school, but I'd like a little music underneath the video. So what I'm going to do is use a music clip. I have one called Big Hearts 3. We'll take and drag that down and put that in track number 1. Now, the music is fine, but it's too short. Let's play a few bars of it. Okay, so one thing I want to do is I want to make it longer. How do I do that? Well, there are two options that we have. First thing is I can simply click on it, and then I can click on the edit button above the timeline. And then under audio, I have to make sure I'm not on the speed control, but on the audio control. I have a smart fit for duration. Now, in order to use this, I need to know the duration. How long do I want it to be? So if I want it to be the length of the clip, I hover over that in the lower right corner, and it's 29 seconds and 3 frames. So I'm going to click on Smart Fit for Duration, and I'm going to use Custom. And we'll type in 29 on the seconds and 03 for the frames. And then I'm going to click on OK. Let's click on that. And now we see it's lengthened it. Let's see how, this is the area where there was a cut, a trim. Let's see how it merges and if it sounds good. Pretty seamless. So this worked out just about the way I wanted. Now, I may not like the way it fades out at the end. Let's see if it's too long. Oh, just about right. Okay. If I didn't like it, I would actually set it for longer, and then I would clip it. I would trim it on the timeline. So that's option number 1. It's pretty simple. If you have the version of Power Director that has this tool, it's very easy. But if you want a little more precision, let me give you another option. I'm going to delete this. By the way, it does not interfere with our original audio file. I'll put the original one back. This time we're going to do something different. We're going to right-click on it, click on Edit Audio. Now there is an audio editor in every version of Power Director, but the audio editor does not give you the ability to cut and paste. There is another tool that allows you to trim, but that's not what we want to do. We want to make it longer by duplicating a segment in the audio. So I'm going to click on Edit in Audio Director, and it will then load my Audio Director program. Once it's loaded, I see it. A couple things I want to do. First of all, I'm going to widen it a bit. And I'll say I want it to start without a lead-in of silence. So I drag the little container to the right. And when this area is marked, I can click on the scissors or press the delete key. Now we'll shrink it back a little bit. Now let's see if we can hear, by replaying it, where would be a good place to break it. Okay, this is where the cycles, right about here. So what I'm going to do is enlarge this, press Escape, and see if I can select a spot right about here. That might be a good one. Then what I need to do is take my mouse and move the left marker all the way to the beginning. And then let's move this so we can see the segment. That's the one. I'm going to press spacebar to play it and see if I caught it right. Okay, let's try that. I'll do Control-C to copy, press Escape, make sure I'm at the very beginning, and do Control-V to paste, press Escape, do Control-V to paste. So I pasted in 2 identical segments. Let's see if we've got it about right here. Okay, looks like I caught it pretty good. Now when I'm happy with it, I've actually tripled that one segment. All I need to do is click on the back button, and now it will send the modified copy to PowerDirector. I'll click on yes. So here we have our modified copy in PowerDirector edited by myself in Audio Director. So that's one way to do that. Now another tip is if you want to do something like this and you do not have Audio Director, you can take the file and do approximately the same thing in a free audio editing program called Audacity. So that's another option if you want to use a third-party program. Those are two ways in which you can lengthen a music file to match a video segment in CyberLink PowerDirector.